Welcome back, guys. I hope this video meets you well at this hour, and I hope you are enjoying the video on this channel. So if so, please don't forget to click or smash the red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first person to get aware when I drop a new video. So today in this video, I will show you how to claim uh, Yunjiami token and how to swap it instantly on Trust Wallet. Like you all know, when I do a video of how you claim an airdrop, I also do a video about how you swap this airdrop or token if they are listed already. So I want you to pay total attention to my screen. I want you to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. So like you all know, how to make money online with cryptocurrency, telecommunication, and tech generally. I also made video about news around the world. So if you are coming across this channel for the first time and you like the video that you are seeing on this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be aware as I'm dropping new video on this channel. You can go where you can go to my videos or playlists so that you can enjoy sets of your videos. So, and if you are new, you've not joined my Telegram channel, do well to join the Telegram channel. In this video, where we are going to claim the Yunjiami token on Trust Wallet, you need the airdrop contact address. So you can check the description of this video. You see the airdrop contact address link there where you can copy this link. So now, guys, like we always do, we'll go straight to Trust Wallet app. We'll go straight to our Trust Wallet app. So when we just open our Trust Wallet app, we'll go to the top right corner where we always add a new token or where we always add custom token. So this time around we are not using the DApp session. We are not using any BNB gas fee. So I want you to pay attention because after we claim this token or airdrop, we are going to swap it instantly on our Uniswap. A few days ago, someone asked me to make a video on how to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. So, guys, I'm sorry, I'm going to drop this video anytime from now. So, we'll click at the top right corner of this screen, then we'll paste in the contact address. I hope you will have joined the or click on the contact address link that you find at the description of this video. If you paste the contact address and the contact address is not coming out, you can easily click on add custom token. So when you click on add custom token, you click on this paste. You click on paste, so it will fetch out the name and the symbol, then the decimal of this token. So if your own is not bringing out the decimal, you can paste in the contact address, leave the network in Ethereum network, put the symbol as YJM and the decimal as 18 because it's under Ethereum network. So Ethereum token or airdrop are always 18 decimal. Then you click on done. So guys, you just claim 99,875 75 Yunjiami token on your Trust Wallet. So this does not require any BNB gas fee or any Ethereum gas fee. So now, after we've claimed this airdrop, the next thing now is the step 2, which is to go to our DApp session, the Trust Wallet DApp session, and swap this to any coin of your choice. But in my own case, I'll be swapping to USDT. So I'll click on DApp session. Guys, don't forget, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you love what I do on this video, you've not subscribed, please don't forget to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So you click on Uniswap exchange. So it's trying to load up now. I hope my network is not sucking. Papa. So the page just load up now. Don't mind me. The page just load up now. So this Uniswap and the Trust Wallet has been connected already. So I'll click at this arrow in between Ethereum and select token so that I can bring select token up, then bring Ethereum down. So I'll click on select a token. When you click on that, you paste in the contact address. Then in your own case, you might have not added this Yunjiami token on your Uniswap. So when you paste in the contact address, it will ask you to import it. So click on that checkbox, then import it to your Uniswap. So you click on this. So I have 99,870 Yunjiami token. So I want to swap this. So no, I don't want to swap it to Ethereum. I want to swap it to USDT. I want to see what this token will worth. So I'll click on USDT right here. So then I'll click on max. That's maximum. I want to swap everything that I have here. So okay, insufficient liquidity for this trade. So okay, guys, let's trade with V2. So I'll click on this, no liquidity, click to trade with V2. So now I just click on trade with V2. Guys, you see the value of this USDT. So one of the reason I always tell you guys, when you claim any airdrop, try to keep it for some times, because you don't know what the value might be tomorrow, because cryptocurrency is growing very fast. The speed at which cryptocurrency is moving can never be underestimated. So if you have any token, you claim any token, or you claim any airdrop under Ethereum network, under BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain, on your Trust wallet or your MetaMask or your Atomic wallet, when you claim them, you can keep them for some time so that when they add value, you can swap it and have a reasonable amount of money for yourself. So if you still want to go ahead and swap this, you can do so. You can swap it. I'm not saying you should not swap it. You can swap it. Do where to swap it. So you just click on allow Uniswap protocol to use YJM. Then it will take you to where you confirm the network, where you are going to approve it. So it will take you to where you are going to approve it. As you all know, Ethereum network fee is always on the high side. So what we are going to use to claim this is higher than what we are going to get in the return. So guys, you can always keep this token or airdrop till the time they have more value, then you can swap it later in the future. So guys, I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my mailing list so that you can be part of people that get direct updates to their email whenever a new content go live on this channel. Thank you guys. Love you all and see you in the next video.